Alright guys, welcome back once again to the channel. And as you can see on this channel, we produce and teach you artworks of these varieties: painting, drawings, crafts, and many more. Subscribe and hit the bell notification to be part of the team. You will be notified whenever we upload a video. Alright, today we've got to teach you how to draw as a beginner. And as you can see, you first of all draw your reference with your HB pencil or mechanical pencil. Right after that, you will now have to grab your B pencil, just like I am doing, to outline the darkest part so that it doesn't get lost in the shading process. So now we will have to continue with the shading since we are done with the outlining. And as you can see, with the shading, you have to lower your pressure on the pencil, and I am using the 3B pencil to shade because we need a dark layer. And also make sure your strokes are quite longer. Alright, you grab your soft tissue paper and blend it in the shading. Be gentle on the blending as well. With your 3B pencil, you now shade the darkest part of the eye. As you can see, you can use a general charcoal pencil or a black marker for this part. Just as you can see, you will now start the detailing part. For this part, you closely watch how I go by it, because this part really requires a whole lot of work and patience. You can replay this part just to get it properly. If you are really enjoying, then we would like you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we've got a lot of content to upload for your learning process. As you can see, you grab your 3B pencil and begin to shade around the black part to have a nice blend. Like I told you guys, this part requires a whole lot of work and patience. Don't forget to subscribe if you're really enjoying this video. Put down your comment on any difficulty you will be facing and we will help you out. Check that out in the comment section. Alright, now we will outline the hairs around the eye, since we will be shading that area too, so that it doesn't get lost, just like I am doing. You do the shading with your 3B pencil. Right after that, you pick up your tissue paper and then blend in that portion too. Mind you, with the blending, do it gently. Right after that, we will also shade the white part or the eyeball and also blend it in with our tissue paper, just as you are seeing. Alright, next on it we will start drawing the veins, the eyeball with a mechanical pencil or a sharp pointed 2B pencil. And you will have to lower your pressure on drawing these veins. Hope you're really enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe because we have a lot of content that we will upload. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever these videos are uploaded. And mind you, we will not be uploading just drawings. We'll be uploading varieties of artworks. So for now, as you can see, I am just continuing with the detailing in the eye. I should have used a tombo mono 0 eraser for this one, but unfortunately I don't have it, so I just sharpened my eraser pointedly. Alright guys, so this is a result you should be getting. Thank you for staying tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you in our next video.